We're on the top of Lazi Shan in Dalian. Really beautiful place. Quite a difficult climb, one of the hardest hikes I've ever done. But it's really, really worth it when you're on the top here. Here with Brandon and Renee. Wow, it's really, really beautiful. It's quite a difficult climb. You have to really be sure-footed, have really good shoes. Let me see if I can show you here just a little bit. Just get the indication. You can get an indication from this video like how difficult that climb was. We actually had to climb over rocks. Some, left or right would have gone down the mountain if you didn't, if you didn't have a strong step. It's really, really treacherous, but really worth the trip up here to be finally at the top. And there's this cool little tower. As you can see, it's kind of your target to focus on when you're climbing the rocks. So it's a bit dangerous here, so pardon me the video, but again, you can just see all of Dalian. There's the Bohai Bay. Some large fish farms over there. You can probably see them. Some fish farms. Wow, it goes way over there too. It's hard to get a kind of a shot there, but you can see the water. Little cell phone tower. Okay. And just some really cool areas of Dalian. And there's downtown of Dalian over there. It's one great thing about Dalian. Lots of places to hike, a lot of nature things to see. Nature preserves. Lots of animals, birds. It's pretty barren. It's very, I wouldn't say it's a great place to grow crops. It's not much arable land here, but still, it has this beautiful, rugged beauty. Very arid place. Mainly rains in the summertime here, but anyway, it's a wonderful place. So, Lazi Shan.